Juniper branches can turn brown due to a variety of reasons, such as pest infestations, fungal diseases, environmental stress, or improper pruning. Here are some tips to prevent juniper branches from turning brown. And don't forget to subscribe for more tree care. Water the juniper plant regularly. Make sure the soil is moist but not waterlogged. Junipers are drought tolerant, but they still need some moisture to thrive. Ensure the tree is getting enough sunlight. Junipers prefer full sun to partial shade. Avoid over-fertilizing the juniper plant, as this can lead to excessive growth and weaken the plant's defences against diseases and pests. Prune the juniper plant only in the spring or early summer, and avoid cutting too close to the trunk or main stem. Also, make sure to sterilize your pruning tools before use. Keep an eye out for signs of pests or diseases such as discoloration, spots or webs. Treat any issues promptly with appropriate pesticides or fungicides. By following these tips, you can help prevent juniper branches from turning brown and keep your plant healthy and vibrant. Please subscribe for more tree care.